Doing a review for the Miller Classic Series helmet. It's got 3 sensors on the front. The welding area is quite small, as you can see. It's only about 1.5 by 4, possibly. It does have a grind shield on it, so that is a nice part of this helmet. The original headgear that came with it, I didn't find it very comfortable, so I got the second generation. So Canadian, I paid about $180 for this helmet, and the headgear was another $30. Settings are underneath the grind area, right in here. It's got your basic settings. It's got shade 8 to 13, sensitivity, and it's got delay. It's got regular weld mode, and it's got the X mode. I didn't really like this helmet because it's fairly heavy. It's about a 3-pound helmet. 3M respirator won't fit very well under here, so when you do bring the grind shield back down, you have to readjust the helmet so you can actually see out of it. So I didn't enjoy this helmet because of the heavy weight. A fellow I work with, he has the same model, and his is made from a different type of material, so his was about half the weight. So if you are looking for this helmet, check the weight. This one is about 3 pounds, so a little too heavy for wearing all day. Very hard on the neck when you're welding overhead. I've retired it. I've only had it for a couple months, and I'm retiring it. So if you want to check out more of my stuff on Instagram, I'm Kennedy_welding on Instagram. So hopefully this review has helped. I have not found too much on this helmet on YouTube, so hopefully it has helped you. So, all right.